deal with. Well, it's 13,000 from outfit deal with from the US.
Come on. Yeah, up and running.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Yeah, deal with my box like you want to tear my back. No, give me a round over that. Shut that little piece of it. Yeah, good life.
Good life.
Yeah, so it's you know. Good life, it don't stop, you know, yeah. See it, see it, man. It don't stop, that's so good life. We just sell out something in the car.
Yeah.
We left commissioner, because this we do, you know. Juggle for the girls, you know.
Yeah.
All of the girls, them goodies, and the, you know what I say?
The girls, them goodies.
Yeah, man, all of the girls, them things, good life, you know. One life, whatever, you know. Good life. You know what I say? We are sail out.
Sail out.
And them trip, you know.
Yeah, sail out.
Come on, some thanks for you. 10.99.99.
So 10.99.99.
99, I'll be a 99.99, huh? You know what I say?
$199.
Yeah.
And then sitting there.
15.99.99.99. You see me I say good life,
But
I see you
all star.
Yeah.
Can't
You know say you're all star, man. If you don't know you're a star, you can't wear. If you know we're all star, no, he's not a star, you know.
True.
Any man who know we're all star is not a star.
Because you can't.
Not a star.
Because you're not a
Anyone
star.
know we're all star is not a star. All the baby them in a star.
What do you mean? So you know, say not fall too far.
Star, all star. You don't know.
So much of the all star.
15.99.99.99.
Jamaican price.
Yeah?
Right, Jamaican price.
Jamaican price. Because I US so white in I know. Jamaican price now are 2 grand.
2 grand.
Yeah.
Straight.
And them want them, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, let them go. And next week they will get some panty for the lady them, you know. Good life.
So you're the salesman at
Yeah, yeah, me a salesman round the community. You see me I say,
Yeah.
I don't stop here so. So me done, me give you time for work, you know.
Yeah.
Have a limited time I have to cut off. That means I say me cut off, I not sell nothing no more.
Oh.
Nobody not ask me for nothing because me done sell. Bail and go up on my corner, cool.
Cool.
You see me I say?
Good life, you know.
Bumbleclaw.
Give them the laugh. Give them the... Everything sell off. So you have a pink star.
Yeah, everything for the girls them, man, and the baby them.
I would have write it up on the construction site.
Yeah, up on the construction site. You don't know where to pass through, you know.
Yeah.
It's in because of our place, it's in.
Straight.
Big up Marvin and the crew and the whole crew.
Marvin and the crew.
Yeah, our friend this, you know, from way back in us. But we would have said, grassroots. Grassroots. Yeah, that.
From them links to
some Dodos no know some man, you know. Dodos know we, you know. Yeah, man. Jim Brown no know some man, you know. Jim Brown know we.
Straight.
Beat up Tivoli.
In a football, straight.
Jim Brown no know, man. Jim Brown know we. You see them boy, them bad. Not bad. Yeah,
Busting in it.
Yeah, man. But the thing is good life, a good life, you know.
True,
yeah,
true.
We have to live a good life around here.
Yeah.
You see me I say?
All the man them want is a good wife.
All the man them want is a good
what?
and a positive wife.
Oh.
Yeah.
I have some mad people around here too, you know. You hear that? As long as you know the strips, you know, because they want to...
Yeah, tourists say no, socks.
Yeah, Throwback. Yeah. Socks and crep, yeah.
Socks and crep.
Niggas in the hood.
In the hood.
Yeah.
Niggas in the hood. Niggas in the hood.
I would there on the side.
Yeah. Good life.
So by today man, everything done as a man.
Yeah man, I want to tell you say. I just give her a price range and say, yo, that me I go make so I don't reach my Quarterfinal as it is in.
So how much I give him to take the whole bag from you?
Eh?
The whole bag will I take from you?
If you take the whole bag from me still, you know.
$9.99.
It'll be $29.99.
$29.99. It's a plus tax. All of the 9 them.
You see $9.99 them?
Yeah.
That's where you get your pay from.
Oh, the 99.
The 20, and the year one, you know, the 99, 99, 99. Year one.
All star.
Yeah. Right now, if a soldier come to you and say, nah, go look up, pull up a weed in the car, he now look for weed.
Him just pass show. Him just pass.
Pass me the green, man. You find out. You saw my bag, look. One side that green, and one side that black. So I say, yo, it's a soldier that.
Yeah.
What deal?
So nah, look for that.
Sparks alone know the strips, you know. Because the man don't want the cola that strip.
Oh.
You hear that? So Mr. Move and mix up the matter there, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, go on there.
Keep him occupied in the car, as a man love sleep.
Yeah. He want to drop sleep.
Yeah. You have to keep the man occupied in the car, the man they say, man, they put the chair here, so.
Sleep or sleep.
Yeah, man.
We shall move and mix up the tin set. You know the thing set already.
Anything.
Yeah, man.
This is good.
Eh?
This is good.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, the busy.
This is good.
Alright, let's see what going on for the cash.
Good man.
Business are going good,
Buy
man.
stuff, man.
Good man.
Slippers are buy, man. Things are sell, man. We are sell,
I
man.
can't see them, you know. I don't love me to buy banana. This me like pink.
Yeah, pink color style.
Yeah, because she's a star, you know. Look at she's a star, so.
Shit.
She have put on her foot, you know.
Business are going good, man.
Like this. I love her star, you know.
Right now, my baby mother, she love how me flow the business in the car. She have some little one up there where she tell them, say, yo, go and go juggle the things. Them say, yo, them not depend that, you know. And when them see me stack out and walk around 2.5 hours, you know, I make $8,000, you know.
Yeah. Sure.
And we are talking about 8,000 Jamaican dollars, you know.
Yeah.
And when my baby mother see I come in with the $8,000, she goes, Jesus! Our daughter turned to her and said, "Is Ali is the salesman."
Yeah.
No, true, we know the thing.
Yeah. Salesman.
They're in our blood.
Yeah.
We selling in our blood cause when me stop do this, it don't stop here, so. When me stop selling them for them in them barrel, it don't stop here, so. We don't like corner, so back it up,
Yeah.
see
it way.
yeah, and we go for the highest set of grade of weed cause that man there sell weed down there, so you want to get something higher than fee money, you know. Higher than more than higher.
Yeah.
Champer down higher than higher.
Higher than high.
Higher than high. You see me?
Oh. See the bill there now. Only the bill want nothing. Bill must want something for $9.99. You never know, you know.
Billa.
Anything?
You are the Billa.
Yeah, what?
Tell them, no, you Billa. That man there, the one know that man there who. No, yeah. That him a who? Mason? No.
Face basis.
Laborer that.
We shall move.
Him a the laborer. See me, point him man, yeah. Yeah, him a laborer. No, he mix up the thing and pass it on to you. That you call like the laborer.
Yeah.
So build that inside and the mason.
You know you have the CEO.
Why CEO? We don't want a CEO. We CEO about. We CEO about.
See other people based.
No, we don't want a CEO. We don't want a CEO. No, political site, yeah.
No, that.
No tax can't drive, brother.
If you never say CEO, I bet you go for CNN and make them come look too.
Yeah. CNN News.
Yeah,
Everything alright.
CNN are for there too, you know.
No man, CNN no vital like the CEO.
We don't want to dry it out like you say. But the mace, the man, no, the laborer would have said. Him.
The mixer man.
Yeah,
The mixer.
Him. Mixer man.
It's at the pre-mix.
No, you see, the premix man, him automatically named the laborer Marvin. No, he mix up the stuff. He mix up the stuff and see them. How much you chewing right now? You measure that? Eh? Kakis, you measure that?
Half
You
bag.
measure that? Half bag?
Well, the man I say right now, him kind of get caught up. He can't take the time.
Yeah, heck yeah.
You see, he may catch you back on the rebound.
Good life.
Yeah.
Big life.
Yeah.
Dear baller, they are
Yeah.
saying. Dear baller. And he himself a baller.
Be a baller there, man.
Like the CEO up in there.
Huh?
Why hear the CEO I say that, sir?
Alright, gone here now.
Out and about.
Solid goal go pro now. You see
I
that?
tell you that
Solid goal go pro.
Yeah, man, love it. You know the name of it, man.
Yes, sir.
Coco Billings, you know?
Coco Billings. Yes, yes, Taylor. Tired and well.
Up to the finishing, you know what I mean?
Up to the finishing, as the Ripper said.
Touchdown, you know?
Touchdown.
Take a look, man.
It's a good look, man. I like it, lad. People them like your work, you know.
Yeah, man, always have to do something for people to see and appreciate it, you know. We do it in love. You understand? From the love and the work, most often I have love. And this way I don't represent me, you know. That's how one can see it. Yeah.
Them like what.
We are doing for your word, it comes, you know?
Yeah.
So that's one of the greatest things right now.
True.
Come on. So, that reach where to reach, you know. And everything are bright up.
Yeah.
You know? So the friends who here we feel live in and feel comfortable.
Yeah.
You know, and that's the one.
Sure.
Comfortable, you know?
Comfortable, you know?
Yeah.
The people them with the like.
Yeah. So it a reach that so right now.
Yeah.
It's a good luck. And as we say once more, we are give thanks to all the people that support the team and make it possible, because without you, this wouldn't possible right now. So big shout out to all of them. You know yourself, you understand? And we even look on right now and can do something further. Continue with the blessing. Big up yourself.
Straight. Big up all of the donor them.
Yeah, man.
People them will be a part of this. To reach to this stage.
Yeah, man. Without them, man, this would be nothing.
This is nothing.
Yeah.
And also the Almighty Himself.
Yeah.
We have to give thanks to it daily. So you don't know, so what next?
Yeah.
Project after this a Prince.
Yeah.
Yeah, no Prince condition already.
Yeah.
So one
Big give me support because it take a man lesson and even in the worst situation on him right now. I hear the same man.
Yeah.
You see it?
See you
A man will need help and show the love and show the passion. That's if you are never going to make him comfortable.
See you.
So one lesson see him your feet make him also comfortable.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
So then I watch out, reach out to the people then.
Yeah.
Help out Prince here,
Sure.
the blessings, guys.
Yeah.
Because I need it, you know?
Yeah, man.
Definitely I need it. Because I youth, as I say, my ear ginging in a film condition.
Yeah, the field condition need it also. Understand?
So, yeah.
So, the combination of the two. So we have to make it possible for both.
Sure. Share the blessings, you know?
Yeah.
So I'm going to come on still.
A good look. Thanks to the most high.
Yeah.
Friend in need, you know?
Yeah.
Man, true.
Really a friend in need.
Give thanks to the most high. You hear that? Man, everyone will make it possible. You don't know honor and respect everyone. Yeah, man. Thank God for opening the eyes because they can see what I go on and get me a say.
True.
Man, I respect Kino, I love and respect you. See them with you. Without even you are your day one, you hear that? You make it start.
Yeah.
You
Make it possible.
honor to everyone around the world. Who are doing it. And who are trying to do it and I do it. We still love to see them with you. See you that. You hear that? You don't know just see what go on a while ago. Look Tyler to make one move. You hear that? Cut and clear. Good to say. Yeah, man, I good over body every time. You hear that? Yeah, man, good conquer evil, man. A clean heart and a pure mind.
Every time.
Every day, man.
Jaja. There from day one and call himself.
Yes, man.
Never leave we out.
We got the shopkeeper. We don't know, we still have to there. Because our friends say, without Kino, come around here, this wouldn't possible. So the first thing we have to go Kino with no joke.
Never forget where my
We appreciate that because remember where I come from.
Yeah.
And all who out there,
See,
we are work with Kino.
Yeah.
We appreciate on the said way. Give thanks, there's it. More life and more love we say. Yeah, we have it in our heart to do this. But we have the cash.
Yeah.
And with the help and the support, we want to come now. On board good. Yeah, man, everything good.
Yeah, Kino
Just
come
give
on,
thanks.
everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Straight, man.
All the way, Kino. Yeah, everything up and straight up, brother.
Straight.
More blessed.
More
The
blessed.
youth will grow.
Yeah, man.
Late we come see youth and do this. I just say, man.
Hold on,
I'm
man.
there with their youth.
Yeah, I respect that, isn't it?
Master, brother.
Tell them we straight.
Yeah, man.
Never turn a blind eye.
No.
Can't do that.
Never. So Carl, pay for yourself as well too.
Well, you know, say, we sell watch eyeglass and them things there.
Yeah.
I have a look at the shot where we run with that. All of that shit thing.
Yeah.
You see? But my trade really and truly is a poster and
Yeah.
settee wise.
Okay.
You see? So it makes me a move for our
Okay.
You see me?
So you got tools them and thing already?
No, I don't have no tools there. But I'm going to just create a miracle.
You get
But
some
I know
tools.
the first thing I want to be like one thing.
Yeah.
As we can highlight to the people that we are dealing with.
So what the first tool you don't want to start that?
Well, you see, first tool that I really want still is a compressor with 2 staple gun.
Okay.
Yeah. Bandsaw we can work on that, but the compressor are the most important thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In our poster.
Yeah. So that's the starting point.
Yeah.
So when you grab that,
No, we
it's a
don't
start.
say, yeah, we have a start.
Yeah. Yeah, that people say don't know they're gonna reach out for call see me and kind of have a talent see me. They are run with from the start.
Yeah, man.
And give Ginger the support.
Yeah, man, it was all
So,
part of the plan, man.
So if we can reach out and give them a compressor for him to the good trade. Cause I don't know him say I'm gonna build a settee for Ginger in here.
Yes, man.
You know, once him get that compressor that it start and Ginger first, I get him first settee. You see me, that's the
I
fire.
like the team.
I like the thing, man.
Yeah, brother.
Compressor. So how long can you got to let the card?
Yeah.
Long
Long
time.
time. The first year that I never learned when my stepfather.
Okay.
Yeah, man. And then, man, everything possible. Because going to school and you don't know everybody not come out with a good education.
Yeah.
You give thanks for where you know.
Yeah.
You carry me and say, oh, it don't make sense, sit down and come learn and cheat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And push through, but circumstance, you have to move on
Yeah.
and things. So that's why we're not in the trade fully again. So I have to try different things just to survive.
Yeah, see.
I work with a man sometimes, all type of things happen.
Yeah, true.
So it's that I want to make with no further with trade.
Yeah.
But I'm a trader from day one, and I always tell myself, you know, I endorse it to the fullest.
Yeah.
Because something I love.
So then now you can teach somebody else to trade.
Alright, because I may try to do. My stepfather feel me back more. We do it miss out. And that's what can pass it on. Because still something where to pass it.
Yeah, we don't want to keep it for ourselves.
We don't want it dead with we.
No.
It must continue.
True.
So that give them with the funds.
True.
Likewise, all the Tyler there. Pass him a pass and look at me. Said me.
Yeah, of course.
You see, I feel good about these things.
Of course. That's what he
These
said.
things are motivate to life.
Yeah.
Positively.
Yeah.
So we give thanks. And with Kino and the
Whole
base,
team, man, yeah.
just we appreciate. We nurse our friends and the team where they are.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate the work.
Great part.
Yeah. We have good people there said we stand up and do the right thing. So
Yeah.
with Uno we are giving the support and the help. Yeah.
Sure.
So we give thanks to Uno people.
Thanks.
Anyone there in the world.
Big up on yourself.
Yeah, Uno just big up on yourself and know say Spraga a blessing up. Straight.
Yeah.
You see?
Straight.
Yeah. Yeah. The fans.
Yeah, every time.
Yes, build that. Tyler, come on, nice.
Man, so have a place, man. I will not waste time, you know.
Sure. No time for waste. On the blessing in place.
I waste time. Rum there. Pass the rum.
Rum
Rum
there.
Put on the tall beer.
I'm not mixing up that other car, you will see now.
No, man, rum for drink, man.
Yes, man.
Yes, sir.
Straight.
Big boom off the man.
Get the boom, man.
You are going to work with a big one and cup.
Yeah,
you
big
see?
one.
Because you know what they said there. So we are going to give me this. Yeah, give me 2 bits. Alright, I bring the boom and the cup. You see?
Cut and clear the road.
No back fighting, no clean out to say, no, the vampire the road, they don't look to what I want for you, you know, you see. So I have to clean it up, you see me, I say?
Cut and clear. Tall piece and work, you work.
Give me work in here, I know, so I might take over, I work for
The man, the day, man. You know, outside that Thailand thing, you know.
Yeah.
You see me? There's my tile the outside and thing, you know the thing go. So you know the thing I have to go and deal with seeing me. You know, I go stop seeing me, yeah. So you don't know me have some donation for you. Man like Prince there.
Yeah.
Look at yourself.
Keep them look out for me in place a bill still, you see?
Yeah, well it didn't start building.
Yeah.
You see, but them a look out for you like getting some donation so your place can build. You see me? So you don't know the thing go.
Yeah.
So me have a donation for you as well to Prince.
Yeah.
And Jim have a donation of 13,000 from US. First so them name Art for Deal With.
Hard to deal with.
Yeah, Art for Deal With. That is 13,000 from Art for Deal With from the US.
Come on. Yeah, up and running. Hard to deal with.
Yeah,
Blessed love family, you see me?
yeah.
Yeah man, what I love and respect. You see what I say?
See there?
Because right now we just got our ability some things and this can match it up still, you see me?
Yeah, towards the
Now we kind of
material.
short of some little material things. So. Yeah, this can give so all for respect and love for this man, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah man, enough blessing.
Art for Deal With. And you have also Blendan Virgo
Yeah.
from the US as well too. From the US, and also donate 13,000 towards the materials and such. Okay. Blendan Virgo.
Blendan Virgo.
Yeah.
Okay. Blendan Virgo, what if I love and respect the family, you see me? What if I appreciation to you, see Virgo, because I don't know the thing. That will help do a lot of things, so. Yeah man, I what if I love and give thanks, man, you see?
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah, straight up.
And you have also have Angel and Jacob from Florida.
Yeah.
$8,000. Yeah, $8,000 from Angel and Jacob, Florida. Yeah.
Jacob and who again?
Angel and Jacob.
Oh, Angel and Jacob. Alright, Angel and Jacob, want to say enough respect and love, you see? Yeah, because what you do for me right now, can do a thing, you see me I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, match up and help sort out something. So what if I love and respect me to Jacob?
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love him. What if I bless him, man? You see, Bob?
Yeah.
Give thanks.
And also Prince.
Yeah.
Our donation for you towards your materials from Lady D. Lady D from the UK. Yeah, $19,000 from Lady D towards the material.
So talk there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
So that's Lady D from the UK. So you can tell her your thanks and everything towards the material.
Really thanks for this. So I help to build my house and things. So much love to you, lady.
Yeah.
And thanks again, lady.
Yes, as you can say, the money that I put down towards your material then and everything, you see me?
Yeah.
So we still have to get a thing out type if you want to buy anything, see me? And the rest of go towards the material them and for the one I'm going to collect already from what year. You see me? So we are beg the people them to contribute same way.
Yeah.
And when you tell them, say them can reach out and help you same way towards the donation. You see me? So
yeah, people are going to contribute and reach out and they can help me to build, get the house done there.
yeah, man. So the hands of the Almighty and the people them want to support and donate, it will happen. You see me? Because you touch a lot of people with the condition we have. You see me? So just go on with the faith same way and everything.
Yeah, man.
So Jinjin, we'll make a run on the road so we can start out.
Yeah, start with the material. Because them want is them support so.
Yeah.
I make them do it in a day, you understand?
Yeah. Over the
So
days
more
around.
can want get the things started out and finished up, you see me? Yeah, so I get the material, the mats up and things so them can do it.
Yeah.
But when them start tired out.
Tile already, yeah, in that tile already on the thing. So yeah, we're gonna leave with that and come back.
Yeah.
So let's go on with the faith, so we'll come back off of the road.
Alright.
Because I also have one next donation for collect faith on the road as well too. So start out the drive and we'll be with it. But I got the hard way first.
Yeah.
So you circle will come back.
Okay.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.